you a Mavic 4 Pro pilot, tired of waiting forever for your batteries to recharge? In today's review, we're looking at the 230-watt fast charging hub, a multifunctional charger that promises to power up to 3 batteries simultaneously and even double as a power bank. Let's dive in and see if it lives up to the hype. First off, the design is compact and portable, easily fitting into your drone bag. The build quality feels solid, with a clear LCD display that shows battery status and charging modes. The hub offers 5 smart charging modes: full charge, fast charge, storage charge, discharge, and power bank mode. This versatility is a game changer for drone enthusiasts who need to maintain battery health. In fast charge mode, you can charge 2 batteries simultaneously in about 55 minutes, or 3 in roughly 70 to 75 minutes. That's impressive compared to the standard charger, which takes much longer. The hub uses constant voltage and temperature control to ensure stable and safe charging, so you can trust it with your expensive batteries. But it's not just about speed. The storage charge mode automatically charges or discharges each battery to an optimal 60 to 65% level for long-term storage. This feature extends battery lifespan and keeps them ready when you need them. Discharge mode is perfect for safely bringing battery levels down after a flight. Input compatibility is another highlight. It supports AC 100-240 volts for home use, DC 11 to 14 volts for car charging, and Type-C PD up to 100 watts for on-the-go charging. Whether you're at home, in the field, or in your vehicle, you can recharge your batteries almost anywhere. The power bank mode is a nice bonus. You can plug a USB device into the hub, and it can draw power from the installed batteries to charge your smartphone or tablet. The USB output provides 5 volts 3x, which is sufficient for most devices. This makes the hub a versatile travel companion. Safety is well covered with intelligent power management and automatic cutoff. The hub monitors each cell and stops charging once fully charged, preventing overcharging. The LCD display keeps you informed of progress, so there are no surprises. Now, there are a few minor drawbacks. The hub is designed specifically for Mavic 4 batteries, so it won't work with other drone models. Also, the fast charging time applies to the batteries included with the Mavic 4 Pro. If you have older batteries, performance may vary. But this charging hub is a fantastic investment for serious drone pilots who need efficiency and battery longevity. In summary, the 230-watt fast charging hub for Mavic 4 Pro is a versatile, reliable, and fast charging solution. It saves time, protects your batteries, and adds convenience with its power bank functionality. If you're looking to streamline your drone charging setup, this hub is definitely worth considering. You can find the link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and happy flying.